Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and today I'm bringing environment lectures to you. And I hope you guys are really doing well with your preparation, and you are being consistent with Vysh IAS, right? So let's get started with our first MCQ. So the first MCQ is, which international agreement aims to combat climate change by limiting global temperature rise? Very easy one. Okay, options are Paris Agreement, Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, or D, Rio Earth Summit, right? So the answer is A. The Paris Agreement is a global effort to address climate change and keep the global temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius. Very important, this one. Now, the second MCQ, which international organization promotes sustainable development and addresses environmental issues? Options are World Trade Organization, B, United Nations Development Program, UNDP, C, World Bank, D, UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, right? So the answer is D. United Nations Environment Program is dedicated to promoting environmental sustainability and addressing global environmental challenges. The third MCQ, which greenhouse gas has the highest global warming potential? Very easy question. So the options are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and D, ozone. Answer is B. Methane has the highest global warming potential than other greenhouse gases. Okay, more than carbon dioxide. This you have to remember. Now, and the highest contributor is actually carbon dioxide, but the highest potential then they are asking, so don't get confused. Fourth MCQ, the Great Barrier Reef is located along the coast of which of these countries? Options are Australia, Brazil, Indonesia, Mexico. Answer is A. So the Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. It is situated off northeast coast of Australia. The final MCQ, which of the following pollutants is responsible for causing brown clouds or atmospheric brown haze? Right, the options are carbon monoxide, B, sulfur dioxide, C, nitrogen dioxide, D, black carbon. Right, let's see the answer. Answer is D, black carbon particles. They contribute to the formation of brown clouds, which is also known as atmospheric brown haze, primarily through the incomplete combustion of the fossil fuels, biomass burning, and industrial processes. So with this, today we have completed 5 MCQs. We'll be back tomorrow with another set of 5 MCQs. Hope you guys are studying well. So thank you so much.